And now after Covaxin, Bharat Biotech is now betting big on the intranasal COVID vaccine. Bharat Biotech has now sent a proposal to the DCGI seeking approval for trials on its nasal vaccine, which it is working with US-based universities. Take a look at this report.
Bharat Biotech India Limited is now betting big on its intranasal COVID vaccine. Bharat Biotech is working on 2 intranasal vaccines with the University of Washington School of Medicine at St. Louis and another with the USA-based vaccine maker FluGen and virologists from the University of Wisconsin and Madison.
Even Nature publication clearly said in Chad vaccine that we are not promising whether 1 or 2 dose vaccine will not prevent infection nor transmission. That means it will still transmit the virus. If we want to stop the transmission, nasal is the only route.
Bharat Biotech India Limited founder claims that the nasal vaccine will be non-invasive and easier to administer, and that it will offer faster, stronger and longer immunity against coronavirus.
Covaxin is a simple 2-dose. We are the only vaccine above 12 years age right now. We are planning to do even children's trial also soon. Nasal vaccine, we are expecting to enter into clinical trial soon. Nasal is the only one will prevent the infection and transmission. Please keep in mind the word, where underline this word.
What's more, it can also be given to children.
Nasal will protect the mucosal immunity. The IgA response will knock off the entire virus as soon as it enters. As soon as it enters, it knocks off, you stop the transmission.
Experts say the intranasal vaccine, if successful, could play a major role in stopping transmission of the virus and lead to eradication of the disease from the globe. Will the nasal vaccine be the real game changer in the fight against COVID? Bureau Report, India Today.
Milind Sharma joining us live from Delhi to give us a perspective on that. Milind Sharma, Bharat Biotech's Covaxin seeking approval for nasal vaccine, which means it'll be a drop on the nose instead of a jab on the arm. It's touted to be a safer, more effective. Take us through the research that's gone behind it.
Well, I'll be able to tell you what Bharat Biotech is working on right now because they have submitted a proposal to the Drugs Controller General India at this point. Sources have told us that 4 such places will be holding trials once the approval from DCGI comes forward. That would be in Nagpur, Pune, Hyderabad as well as Bhubaneswar. So these will be the 4 centers for trial where Bharat Biotech is seeking approvals and permission to try the vaccine on 30 to 40 people in the first phase, and the phase 2 trial permissions have also been sought by them. They'll also be looking at administering this vaccine right now to people above the age of 18 and till about 65 years of age. For now, sources have told us that they will not be doing trials on children because that kind of permission has not been given by the DCGI to any pharma company at this point of time. But certainly, this will be a game changer for the vaccination drive in the country because the nasal vaccine will be easy to administer, will have faster absorption, and it will also be easier to store. They will not require syringes, so you don't need to buy extra syringes. And certainly, the dosage in the nasal vaccine will also be lesser as compared to what is administered now in the intramuscular vaccine.
Right. Thank you very much for joining us with those details. Milind, there you have it. Bharat Biotech looking for nasal vaccine approvals from the Drugs Controller General of India. Now moving.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.